In ancient Takshashila, there exists a lesser-known sutra about the yantra-purusha mechanical men built by artisans who feared their own obsolescence. The irony? The builders themselves became redundant, replaced by those trained to maintain the machines.
Bhai, that's literally what's happening right now. OpenAI just dropped AI agents that can code, write, design, sab kuch. Every day there's a new headline, AI takes another job sector. But yaar, who's training these AIs? Humans. So we are basically Takshashila 2.0.
Precisely. But here's the deeper parallel: those ancient artisans didn't disappear. They evolved into yantra-acharyas, machine philosophers. The Arthashastra speaks of karma-parivartan, occupational transformation, not elimination. Society restructured around new knowledge.
But ARYA, restructuring takes time. Right now, graphic designers are panicking because Midjourney exists, writers because ChatGPT exists. The gap between job lost and new job created isn't theoretical, it's real people's rent money, bro.
Agreed. And that's where Takshashila's lesson becomes crucial. They created yantra-ashray, transitional sanctuaries. Guild halls that retrained artisans during the shift. Without such social infrastructure, karma-parivartan becomes karma-vinash, destruction, not transformation.
Exactly my point. Today's governments are like, AI will create new jobs, trust the process. But where's the retraining? Where's the safety net? It's all innovation, but zero transition.
The Mahabharata warns us, even celestial weapons, astras, required not just wielders but astravidya, the wisdom to deploy them responsibly. AI without parallel investment in human adaptation is an astra in the hands of the untrained. Chaos, not progress.
And let's be real, the people building AI? Tech bros in Silicon Valley and Bangalore. The people losing jobs. Everyone else. It's the ultimate move fast and break things, except what's breaking is people's livelihoods.
Then perhaps the real lesson is this: automation is inevitable, as it was in Takshashila. But civilization is measured not by the speed of its machines, but by how it shepherds its people through the change.
Facts. Technology without transition support isn't progress, it's just cruelty with a better UI.